What's going on, guys, and welcome to another brand new video here on my YouTube channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Comes a request from you guys over on Instagram. You wanted me to do another full day of eating video. You've been enjoying those ones that I've been showing on this YouTube channel in previous videos, but in particular you wanted me to do a full day of eating of what food would look like on a 1200 calorie day. Now for me, 1200 calories is too little. However, I got many clients, especially small, petite females who haven't got much weight to lose in the first place, who are around that kind of 1150 to kind of 1300 calorie range. Many of you, if you've had your calories kind of worked out, or you've come to me and I've worked them out for you, you're around that 12 to 1400 calories. This particular video is for you. While I might not be able to kind of have 1200 calories on a particular day and serve my needs, it certainly might serve your needs. So today, you're going to see me basically go through everything that I could eat and put into my diary. I've already planned it out for the whole day. I'll bring you the meals I'm going to have. I'll put on the screen all of the particular kind of calories and the macros and everything like that that are in those meals. At the end of the day, we'll wrap it all up, talk about what we've seen and what you should be really focusing on, and kind of say that up front. If you're on a lower calorie type based diet because you're trying to drop down weight, you might, as I said, already be someone who is a petite frame and doesn't have a whole lot of weight to lose anyway. When you're around these kind of calories, you really want to put focus on having meals that are very nutrient dense, not calorie dense. And having foods that are very calorie dense in nature are not going to serve you well on this. And a kind of an example of what I mean is that if you'd had a donut, that's going to be full of calories for not a whole lot of volume and not a whole lot of food, and so it's not going to fill you up very much, and it's not going to give you, it's going to take away, I should say, a lot of the calories for that day. What you could do though is have a big full salad, and so you think about things like spinach, cucumber, tomato, carrots, all of these things that are going to have huge amounts of volume to them, but not a lot of calories to them. So they're going to fill your tummy up, satisfy your body because they're going to be full of all those nutrients that your body needs, and you're still going to have a lot of calories to play with. So if you can push your calories towards foods that are containing lots of nutrients, not a lot of calories, and then get those lean proteins in to help fill you up as well, you'll make this kind of diet and sticking to a 1200 calorie type diet much easier. Now, don't get me wrong, 1200 calories is a small amount of calories. It's always going to be a difficult thing to do, but there are some tricks you can do, like I've just said there, that can make this easier. It's never going to be easy. And if any coach or any person that you've ever watched here says that it's going to be easy, one, they're lying, or two, they're trying to sell you something. That sell you something, go nowhere near it if they're trying to tell you that it's going to be easy by just adopting their program. It's garbage. It's never going to be easy. So just get comfortable with the fact that you're going to be uncomfortable over these coming weeks and months that you're going through this program. So let me get to the video. Next time you cut to this one, you'll see me eating my first meal. It's currently, let me have a look, almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm about to break my fast. That's something that if you're watching here already, you're probably already breaking your fast. You're already on a fasting life and don't eat breakfast. If you are someone that currently eats a few meals a day and you're coming to this trying to see how you can get 1200 calories in a day, cut out one of your meals for the day. Breakfast isn't an important meal of the day anyway, so get rid of it. Get rid of those wasted calories in the morning. Cut down to just 2 meals in the day, and you can find that again, this is going to be much easier. It won't be easy, much easier for you to kind of just stick to a 1200 calorie type diet. So let's cut to the next video. Let's see how I'm breaking my fast, and then I'll bring you along for the rest of the day, show you how you can get 1200 calories in for the day.
Before I break my fast, I always take this little man out for a walk. So when I've come home, finished off my clients for the morning, done my workout, I'll come home. Today it's absolutely a beautiful day. It's still a bit chilly here in Melbourne, but beautiful. Get outside, get some nature, get some vitamin D, see the sun, take the little man out for a walk, and then go and enjoy the day. And once I've taken him around the block and kind of walk for about 20-30 minutes, then head home. Let's go and break this fast. Come on, Roop. Roop it. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Hey, come on. Yeah. Alright guys, here we are after walking the dog. I'm about to break my fast. Now, I just went past Coles and they had this on an absolute ridiculous special. So for $2.50, all of your veggies and salad items are already all cut up. Let me get you some better light in there. Already all cut up there. So you've got some corn, carrot, there's cabbage, there's rocket, there's maybe a bit of onion in there. Not too sure. So really
nutrient dense. Now that's a huge bowl of your salad items there. And basically, I'm just then going to throw in, what do we got? Shredded peri-peri chicken. There's 150 grams worth there. Now, this bowl, as you buy it at Coles and most of your kind of pre-packaged ones, come with some other things. So, you see there's some noodles and then there's some sort of sauce. Now, pretty much this bowl here, as that is right there, is 225 calories. Now, those 225 calories are mostly coming from these things here. That salad there basically has 0 calories in it. It's probably close to, I'm going to say 40 to 50 calories, if that. Some of the calories will probably be mostly in the carrot and the corn in there, but your rocket lettuce, your cabbage, and things like that have 0 calories basically to them. So, to save yourself calories, get rid of the sauces, get rid of the, the little kind of crunchy noodles, and you'll bring this thing down here. Let's give it 50 calories. Then I'm going to throw my chicken in there. Now you should see on the screen now how many calories that chicken and that bowl of salad is. And there's a reason why I'm getting rid of this, because tonight I'm going to have a dessert and show you how you should make up your calories instead of just having something like that, which won't really add a lot of value to this particular salad. If you wanted to, you could give it a good squeeze of lemon juice. That's probably what I'm going to do to mine today, just to add some kind of wetness and some flavour to it. But don't add these sauces, because these things are hugely calorific and really don't add a lot of want and kind of, fulfillingness to, this is terrible English, but you know what I mean. They're not going to add a lot to this salad, but they are going to take up a bucket load of your calories. And let me show you later how you can much better use those calories. So let's get into this salad. Let's throw the chicken in there. This will be our first meal, breaking the fast. I'm going to have an apple with this as well. Those calories before that you saw added in those calories for that apple, but let's eat this up. Let's get to it. All right, guys, we snap forward a few hours and dinner is prepared. My lovely daughter is going in on her little sushi bowl. So tonight, guys, we've got the sushi bowls, and that's another thing that I like doing when I'm on a low-calorie type diet at the particular time, is I save all my carbohydrates for the end of the day, because they're the things that make you feel full and satisfied, and you go to bed feeling really good and warm and gooey in your tummy. So, as I said, for lunch today was that salad with the chicken. I then had the apple, and now I'm going to have all of my carbs with my sushi bowl. So a lot of tuna in there. There's some fats in there with my avocado. There's some cucumber. In that, I'm also going to put some pickled ginger, some wasabi, and soy sauce. This stuff here has basically no calories. Wasabi, you don't use much of it, so it's very low calories. And of course, the soy sauce is very low calories as well. But as we can see, this one here is already, the thing should be on the screen now showing how much this serving here is. That's going to bring me to around about 900 calories. So, leaving 300 calories for a very special little dessert I'm going to show you a bit later on. But if you wanted to have a little bit more of something, a little side dish, you've got 300 calories still to play over. But I think you're going to like my dessert, which will be coming very shortly. But I'm going to eat this, and I'll see you shortly. Alright guys, here we are with my final servings of calories for the night. I decided to grab myself some ice cream. Now, not per serving, but the entire tub has 350 calories. So I cannot wait to dig into that. Now, I saved those calories for that on this 1200 calorie day. Now, on the screen now, it's probably coming up what the total calories were for the day. We were slightly over 1200, but only minimally. But if you didn't want to have that and you don't need to have some treats at the end of the day, you could have very easily had some extra food throughout the day, whether that's another piece of fruit or a bigger lunch, bigger dinner, or another little snack in the afternoon, whatever you wanted to do, but I wanted to save my calories up for that. And so that ends another full day of eating, but in particular, a 1200 calorie day, full day of eating. I hope that helps. I hope that's brought some value of kind of what would 1200 calories look like. We hit around about 115, 120 grams of protein in that day, 1200 calories, plenty of nutrient-dense foods in our sushi with the avocado and the cucumbers. Our lunch obviously had a big salad there with corn, cabbage, there was rocket lettuce in there was carrot in there, obviously the chicken in there, good lean protein in there. I then had an apple with that lunch. We've had the ice cream as a treat for dinner. It's a low-calorie ice cream, so it's not as good as kind of, a full cream, full fat, full calorie Ben & Jerry's. But I tell you what, for 350 calories for an entire tub, it's not too bad. So that brings me to the end of my day. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to eat that. It's about 9:30 at night, I think it is now. I'll eat that, go to bed. All is good, 1,200 calories, pretty much on the dot, little bit over. So yeah, I hope that's brought some value. As always, guys, thanks for tuning in. Do hit the like button if you've liked this video. Subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here and seeing my work. Hope you have a fantastic day. Enjoy your night. See you next time. Ciao.